Welcome to all of you in this class, and today we will learn about electricity. Now I want to start with a question, and the question is, what is electricity? It is the set of physical phenomena having charged particles in motion. So electricity is a branch of physics or is a part of physics that deals with the study of charged particles which are in motion. Electricity are of two types, a static electricity and current electricity. In a static electricity, charges remains accumulated or stationary. It means charged particles do not move from one place to another, and that is why it is called a static electricity. In current electricity, charges are in motion. It means charged particles move from one place to another, and that's why it is called current electricity. Here charged particles make a stream from one place to another, and so it is called current electricity. In Hindi, a static electricity is known as अस्थिर विद्युत, and in Hindi current electricity is known as dhara vidyut. Now one main important term is electrification. What is electrification? Charging an object or a particle is called electrification. So if a particle is charged either positively or negatively, then it is called electrification, and a number of methods are used for charging particles or a body, and these methods are by friction, by conduction, and by induction. In friction method, when two bodies are rubbed against each other, transfer of electrons take place from one to another that produces a charge on these two bodies. And in conduction, a body is charged with the help of direct contact or physical contact with a charged body, and in the same way by induction process, electric current is induced on the other body with the presence of first body. So these three are the method of electrification, but here the main topic is electric charge. And how can you define electric charge? Flow of electrons is called electric charge. It means when electrons move from one body to another body, then electric charge is produced. So in simple way, flow of electrons is called electric charge. The charge on an electron is called electronic charge, and it is indicated by E equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Here C is the unit of electric charge. So suppose there is a body A, and if n number of electrons passed from A to B, then electric charge is given by the formula Q equals to Ne. So mathematically we write Q equals to Ne, where Q is the charge, E is the charge on an electron, and N is the number of electrons. There are two different kinds of charges. First, positive charge, and second, negative charge. So you have to know about it. There are two different kinds of charge, positive charge and negative charge. And now properties of charge. Like charges repel each other. If two similar kind of charges, suppose positive positive and negative negative, here we see minus Q, a body charged with Q charged, and another is also charged with Q charged, but both have same nature of charge, and that is minus. So negative charge. In the same way, if two bodies are charged with the same nature of charge plus Q, then there is a process called repulsion takes place here. So like charges repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. Suppose one body is charged with plus Q and another body is charged with minus Q. It means one body is positively charged and another is negatively charged, then there is attraction between these two charges. Now third, the force of attraction, of repulsion, force of attraction, the force of attraction or repulsion between two charges separated through a distance of r meter is given by the formula F equals to K Q1 Q2 by R square. Here Q1 and Q2 are two charged bodies or two charges separated through a distance of r meter. Then the force of attraction or repulsion either depends upon the nature of charge is given by the formula F equals to K Q1 Q2 by R square, where K is a constant and K equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. The fourth property is electric charge is always quantized. It means electric charge is given by the multiple of E, where E is the electronic charge. So we can say that Q equals to N, here N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or any counting numbers for 2E, 3E, 4E, 10E and so on. But it is not possible to half E, 3/4 E, 1 by 2E. This is because electric charge is always found in multiple of electronic charge, because electronic charge is the smallest amount of electric charge. So Q is given by Ne, and hence we can say that electric charge is always quantized. Now SI unit of charge. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb and it is indicated by C. It is a scalar quantity. And the second term which we need here is electric current. Electric current. So first we take the definition of electric current, and it is the flow of electric charge in per unit time. So electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electric charge, and we can say that rate of flow of electric charge is called electric current. Let us consider Q amount of charge flows through a conductor in t seconds. Then electric current is given by the total charge divided by time. So current equals to charge by time. Here electric current is indicated by I, and so we can say that I equals to Q by T. On cross multiplication we also get Q equals to IT, and Q equals to IT is the another formula to find out electric charge. So in first case we read Q equals to Ne, and here Q equals to IT. Q indicates electric charge, N for number of electrons, E for electronic charge, I for electric current, and T for time for which electrons passed through one body to another. And now SI unit of electric current is ampere, and it is indicated by A. Here we have to know about it that electric current is also a scalar quantity. Electric charge is a scalar quantity and electric current is also a scalar quantity. Thank you.